Hello, my name is Laura. I live in my van that I converted myself, and I travel with Snuffkin and my 2 guinea pigs. So why don't you join me on my adventures? Here on my channel, Destination Unknown. Yesterday was a write-off. I got vertigo when I was getting into bed, shook my head, and I fucked up like fucking crystals in my ear, and I had awful vertigo all of yesterday, so I have done like nothing. I managed to maybe bag up a few bits of clothes in the afternoon, but that was it. I'm still a bit dizzy today, and I'm not really with it, but I'm fucking cutting wood and shit very dangerously, just like on a box, you know. Don't have any proper tools or anything yet. But I'm making, like, this middle one has a middle level, so I'm gonna make middle levels for the other two, hopefully, with some random bits of wood that my friend had. You hear that? Yeah, that's the plan of action today. Yeah, and I managed to put away some wires in the front that are attached to the extra batteries and block off the bit where the batteries are. So that's good. Yeah, that's what I needed to do before we could bring Snuff in, and once I do that I can properly empty the other van and get that MOT'd, and hopefully someone will come and view it. Yeah. Bit of a bodge job. This one was slightly too wide, but I wedged it in and now I can't get it out, so it's gonna have to stay like that. Whatever. It'll do for some clothes. It's fine. I just spent ages modifying this thing so it's got a door, so Snuffkin's tray can go in here, and I can open it from this angle and clean it out. But I get it in and it's like 5 inches too tall to where the bed flips down. Fuck's sakes, now I got to cut around the whole top. And it was a pain in the ass to get it in here. So, after a whole day of faffing with this bloody thing, we have a door, and Snuffkin can jump in here. His tray will be in here, and the door is so I can open it and empty the tray, because the table will be above on here, and it's the right height, just about. I have to take the lid off to when we fold down to have a bed. And it's secured to the wall, so it can't go anywhere when we're driving. And it's got a nice safe little cubby hole. Hello people, I am attempting to get my shelf layers in with the free wood that I've cut up. So originally I did it on the inside, and then I realised I need to do it on the outside and do the screws from the outside so that the screws don't poke out the wall. And of course it's literally just above the bed, but yeah, just manage. The top line is wrong, so it's going to be the lower line, and then here again 2 lines because I measured something wrong. Top line's wrong. No, top line's right, bottom line's wrong. So wish me luck that I don't completely fuck it all up and waste my wood. Okay, so that side works, but like apparently for some reason this side doesn't work. Like maybe these pieces of wood are slightly bigger, but they're the same. I don't know. So when I put in the screw here, it doesn't hold. What the fuck? I don't get it. Oh well, I have to go from the other side on this side, but at least the screws are hidden like behind the chair and shit. Update. I got one screw in from the other side, but like I can't reach around the door, hold it and screw it at the same time. This is a 2-person job really, but I managed to just get the first one in and like shove the wood on it. But obviously I need it to be like straight, so I've taped it up, but the tape isn't holding. Fucking, I don't know. How am I gonna do this? And there's a spider living here. I'm like, dude, you can't live there. Right on the electrics. So I'm gonna try and get him out. I just put one in. I'll show you putting the other one in. You can see anything from this angle? Nope. So the bottom one's really tight and the top one's really wobbly and loose. Oh, I see. I think it's stuck on there. Yeah. Okay, that's better. The top one's pretty shit though. It might be wonky. I might try and look at that. I'm gonna try and just put a screw in here just so it holds, don't wobble about. The wood is also not straight. It's like bowing. I don't know. Well, it'll do. So I actually managed to get my curtains out my van without ruining everything. But yeah, it doesn't work with these. There's too much gap. So I think I'm just gonna do what I normally do and put a rope up somehow on either side. I don't know which side. Yeah, probably easier on this side if I can get a rope up. Oh, that's coming off. Ew. Huh. Might be able to get rid of this whole thing. Oh no, because it goes around to the front. Because I hit my head on it all the time. This. Alright, well my curtains are a lot heavier than what were on there. So maybe it's pulling it down. So I should put it in here somehow. There should be something to attach it to or up here. I actually managed to get my curtains out of my van without ruining too much, because like the way me and my brother like installed it, it was on a metal piping like in between the like bodywork where the wall went in between the cab and the back. But I actually found out how we did it. It was a while ago, and undid it all and got them off, and now they're actually in here. It's a bit wonky here because like it's against the cupboard, so I couldn't put it high enough, so it goes around the front, but that's fine. And then I added another screw in here, and I've just screwed my rope up so that I don't have too much gap. So yeah, do that. And it works with this. You can just take that off and then slide them over the clippy things, and it's away. So we just released Snupkin. Hey, having a little look around. Hi, hi, Collar. Yeah, there's your. Hi. Yeah. Good boy. Hey. Hey. Ooh. Loads of room. Yeah. Loads of room. Yeah. Well, he's marking. Hey. Hey. Yeah, Dig. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, he's peeing. Good boy. Dig. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Yum yum. Yeah. Oi. Hey, good boy. Hey, how you doing? Hi. Boo boo. What do you think, Snuffy? Hey. one of these like pet screen things. Done some hooks so you can just undo it and it goes back. But I've taped the bottom just for now, just because I don't want to lose him in case he was going to push his way down underneath it.
Okay. We don't need to do that. I was just rewatching the Secret Lives video to get my fix. Creepcast got too scary. Shit happens, dude.